What is up, everybody? It's me, Kevin.
And Kate.
And Kate. There's Kate right there.
Back in.
Yep. Last week, everybody's, hey, what's his name? Was it Ron? Who was it? Hey, where's your sidekick? Oh, was it Ramblers? It's like, Miss Kate this weekend. You make this channel, my son. It would be boring if it was just Kevin's Lowrider addiction. But it's Kevin and Kate. Boopsie bear.
And all the pictures are like all me.
All the thumbnail pictures?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All me.
Yeah, so how has everybody's week been?
Good. Mine's been good.
Yeah, mine's been.
School.
I've been pretty dang busy. Today is Friday. Friday, everybody. We're making a video on Friday. Yes. I just happened to get out of work early today because today the weather is pretty darn windy, and I'm working at the airport right now, and we can't have any debris, any trash anywhere, so we got shut down today. We just did a few things, worked about 5 hours a day, and called it quits. So I am totally fine with that. Saw a crazy guy almost get tased, ran from the airport police, ran and literally hopped the airport fence, the restricted area, started running towards the runway. Cops were running all beside him. He wouldn't stop. He was dodging and ducking them, and he ended up getting noodle-legged. Exactly. We was way back there just watching. All of a sudden his legs just went Gumby. Yep, he got tased, taken to jail. I don't know what his deal was, but I think he was on one. Sad. It's a bummer deal. But anyways, everybody, where are we gonna go with this? Oh yeah. I want to go on ahead and say what's up to the. Gosh, you know what? I am horrible with names. But I ended up picking my son up today with his bike, and we had a couple people stop us, drop us some dope comments, and what's up, and the homie that was wearing the Denver Broncos, hey, what's up, fam? This ain't our year. It's not our year. That's okay. Loyal fans. But yep, there's my son's bike, everybody who's new to the channel, because homie went on ahead and subscribed. To the other lady, said she was going to go on ahead and subscribe. She went to check out the bikes, and I check out the process of the other bike number 3. That's number 2. But number 3, we'll get to that. Go on, my son. Why don't you go on ahead and show us what we got this week? Huh?
This?
No, but that's pretty dope. Kade.
No.
Grab the top one.
Oh.
Exactly, little baby newborn. Grab the top one. Man, has this week flown by, everybody? I thought it was July. Already October, end of October. What do we got there, my son?
A nice, cool sticker.
Bloosh! What do we got? What is that? Focus! Look at that. That is sick. Hey, the same brand. Remember the one that homie gave us from Distinct Auto Details? Remember he gave us one too, this exact same size? It had like a flag in it and an eagle and had all kinds of craziness in it. Same brand. That's what's up.
I like the car on it.
That's dope, huh?
Yep.
Remember all the Impalas I used to draw? That's where I learned to draw it from. This sticker. $19.99.
Really?
Yep. Is that a grape Jolly Rancher? That smells really good.
It's purple.
What else is over there, my son? Man, everybody, you know what this... I don't even know what I was going to say. I was going to go on one. Something about stickers. But I completely forgot. I thought about like 4 different things in one time. Slow down, little mind. I got off work today at 11, and well, I'm kind of used to a schedule, and I don't kind of know what to do with myself. It's about, I think it's like 1:45 now. What do we got over there, my son?
A good one.
Check it, everybody. Suavecito. I think we got this one. Yeah, I remember the homie Barbara Hernandez saying something about this sticker. I could have swore we got this one again.
I don't think we got this one.
Look at that, everybody. That one is dope, huh? Aztec Gold. Man, 1998. 1998. That is Season of the Sickness. That is dope. What's over there, my son? Man, those are dope. Yep, everybody, anyone else out there in the world got any of these stickers, go on ahead and drop a comment. Let us know. We'll check your channel out. I love these things.
There's more in that one. I'll open this one first.
I'm a huge collector. I'm after every single one of these. I know there's a few hundred of these things. Oh, yeah. These ones here were extra. These were bonuses, my son.
Got that one again. Oh, sick. Tantalizer.
Exactly. Yes. Yep.
And that chuck.
Dope, 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 dope.
The tantalizer.
Yep. What else is in there, my son? Those make some dope giveaway gifts. We've done quite a few giveaways on our channel. We should go on ahead and give away stickers. Those look like some nice stickers to give away. What you got over there, my son?
A bunch. Ooh,
holy smokes. Check that out, everybody. Go ahead, my son, start laying them down. Damn, look at that. Hold up, wait a minute. Look at those. Come on, little camera. 1998. 1998. Damn, that is so dope. Hey, that's hardcore.
We have a bonus right here. Bonus.
Bonus!
Another bonus.
Bonus! Bonus, which means doubles, everybody.
Not bonus.
Nope. Bonus!
What do we?
I am pretty sure. This. Bonus!
Oh! Never mind. Bonus.
Yep, bonus.
Do we?
Yeah, we do got these ones. That's pretty sick. Oh
On bonus. That's a sticker.
That one's cool.
Bonus. I mean, not bonus.
What do you mean bonus?
I do.
Down for the brown. That's a dope little truck. I love that one. What's that one say? To all my soldiers before me. It's kind of a dope looking little sticker.
This one's nice. I want that one.
Oh, that one's hardcore. Check that out. Dope.
Extra.
Bonus. Man.
Bonus. Not bonus.
Holy smokes. Look at that. That is so freaking sick. We'll put that over here. That way we'll put our doubles kind of over here to the side. Lay that down, my son.
Poopy.
Damn, that's hard. Look at that.
You gotta wait until the next one.
Oh, I thought that said Latin Savage. It says Latin Image.
This one's the best.
No way. That is dope. I'm your puppet.
These two should go together.
What is those, my son? Are those some pesos? Look at that. That is sick. Where is it? This one looks like that one. Doesn't these two look the same?
Yeah, they do. They're just in different colors.
That's pretty cool. Good catch.
Any more?
Is that it?
Aww.
Oh, man.
Well, that was fun while it lasted.
Yep.
I'd say the favorite one of all of these is this one.
You know what? Of all of them, I would probably have to say this one. I like that one.
But it's probably this one or this one.
After this one, I would either say to toss it between either this one or this one. I like this one. Yeah, those are pretty dope, huh?
Yep.
Man, we have a huge sticker collection. Cases. All right, everybody. Let me know what you guys think about those ones. That is so freaking sick. I love that one.
Now we have 3 of them.
3 of those. Majority of those are all doubles. All those ones are doubles.
This one's 3.
Yep. Those are all doubles, and these ones here are all doubles. I think like triples on that one. I'm pretty positive. Give me a second real quick, everybody.
Wow, that's a bunch of stickers.
Of course, my son. You know how we... Yep, told you.
Bonus!
Another bonus. There you go, right here.
And bonus. 1, 2, 3. 3 bonus.
Dope. Well, that's pretty sick, everybody. I'll tell you what.
Yep.
I know what everyone's been looking forward to. Why don't we go on ahead and get down and dirty with that bike project we've been kicking out. Yep. All right, everybody. Let's go check it out. Ooh, that was quick.
Yep.
Well, does everyone like my dope masking job? I went on ahead and, well, you guys didn't see, but I try to do every step and every process with you guys seeing, so that way you can see how this whole process of this bike went down. The only thing different I did without you guys watching, or that I didn't record, was I went on ahead with this whole fork here. I painted it black. It's a satin black, and after that satin black, I went on, got down. Oh, there's a satin black. I got down with some gloss black. I ended up doing well, this can here lasted me about 3 coats each, roughly, with everything. And I went on ahead and did about 3-4 coats with this guy here. About 3 coats, roughly the same thing. And after that, I went on ahead with this guy right here.
Wait, is that clear?
Yep. Some gloss clear. Let's check out some of these products right here I went on and did. Those here are the mufflers. Those are still in pretty damn good shape. The inside's rusted, but that's okay. It just needs to get a little bit clean, so I left that as it is. Also, the sissy bar here. Scoots, my son. I'm going to put a new seat cover on this one, how I did with my son's bike. But this chrome here, this is in pretty damn good shape. So I'm going to leave that as it is. I'm just going to get some chrome polish and chrome and clean it up. But here's the fenders, everybody.
And whatever that thing is.
It's your chain guard.
Chain guard.
Yep, it's my son's daughter's chain guard. Look at that. It's kind of a crappy deal. I ended up doing a pretty damn good job. I was really impressed with myself, but the rattle can I was using of clear ran out.
Yeah.
It literally, check this out, everybody, real quick. Look at that. Look at the finish on that. That thing's like glass. Went on ahead and also did the bottom too, coated everything, took those off, sprayed under there, so there's absolutely nothing on here that's literally gonna rust. It's covered. And this guy right here, this is the front. Yep.
So this is the back and that's the front?
Look at that. That is sick. So it's got 3 coats of that satin black, the primer. And it's got 3 coats of that gloss black and 3 coats of that clear.
Clear? So
and you guys remember when I made that video? Right there. Well, anyway, oh yeah, when I said it, when I was spraying with that clear, I was taking my time. Me and my son, we hooked it up with some old school rattle cans.
Yep.
But as I was spraying, it started to run out, so it just went all crazy. So look at that. Yeah, you see that? That's where it starts spitting out the can. I mean, look at that. That thing came out pretty damn nice and smooth. It was pretty smooth, and then until that can started going splat, 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 splat. I was like, no, because I wasn't going. I was going, like kind of fast, and then it went blah by the time I caught it. So yeah, it did hit that, and it hit this down here too, which is okay. We're probably gonna go on ahead and throw some designs on this thing, so it's okay. We'll cover it up. We'll kind of see if we can
you should do like
sand it
cool
out.
pinstriping down the little back.
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
And the backside came out pretty decent. That's where that hole was. You remember there was a like a Cadillac emblem there?
Oh yeah.
So I ended up bondoing it. So I mean, if you really stare really hard, you could see it where it's bondo, and it goes back to metal. Pretty damn good. Filled it in nicely. I mean, you're not going to see underneath. You're going to have the wheels here. Speaking of wheels, everybody, check those bad boys out. Those also got 3 coats of each. That's all tape at the end. Bring that one over here, my son. Dope. I'm gonna have to let all the air out of these suckers and actually clean the white walls. Those are pretty dope, huh?
Wait, how are you gonna clean them? Put water on them?
Yeah, I'll get it. Give me a second, everybody. Booyah! I'm gonna eventually take these tires off and try to clean them up the best I can. Which is pretty dope about these tires is, well, they're actually original Lowrider tires. Is what I find really sick about these things. Lowrider. You barely see them, if you guys can see that. This is Lowrider bicycle on there. I think I might just take these tires and just hang them up. Be a dope man cave piece. So yeah, I just wanted to go on ahead and give it a try. See what this paint would do with these rims. I didn't get all of it off.
Just got one side.
Yep. So there's a lot of tape on there, little small pieces on there still. So everybody, I'm going to go on ahead and move these out of the way. And we're going to go on ahead and lay a coat of this. That little... some Rust-Oleum glitter. See, I'm not doing anything crazy or nothing fancy. And everything I've done, I've pretty much showed you guys. So you guys can see exactly everything I'm using. And that's what I'm going to use to seal it. So that thing's ready. Alright everybody, give me a second. Let me get all these out the way real fast. Let me know what you think of how all those turned out. You ready, son?
Yeah.
Yep, he's got his little mask on. Got mine on. Let's go ahead and do this damn thing. I'm gonna rest y'all right here. Hopefully y'all can see. What sucks about these is they get clogged up. Give me a minute, everybody. I'm pretty much spraying heavy where I know I'm going to make some patterns. So in this area here, in this area here, and this area here, all it is, I'm going to try to get pretty heavy with this. So I'm going to go ahead and use 2 cans of this mofo. But I'm going to go ahead and get what I can on this one, because I'm going to be doing another coat of this. So I want this thing pretty... Oh no, I was just going to say heavy, but not that heavy. That's okay. Yeah, this is how we're getting down, everybody. Right in the backyard. Some backyard boogie. Remember when homie comedies like, oh shit, I like that. I do the same thing, backyard boogie. By the way, you notice how I got my paint booth set up now? Because this tree, when I had it tied up from that one to here, well, it's about that time of the year, and that's a walnut tree. So look at all these crazy little atomic bombs falling everywhere. Not to mention, these things
suck.
I know, when they first start.
When they dry out, they get hard and they're basically spikes.
When they first start, they're all green, and when they get old, they start to get brown and more.
Yeah. Hey, Wifey, close the window. And I still couldn't get these off. I've tried lubing them. Yeah, so I'm going to get what I can with most of this. I'm not going to worry too much about the bottom because I'm not going to do anything down there. So I might get this pretty heavy for the most part. I'm going to let it sit. You guys remember with Cade's bike, I ended up doing his whole bike, his frame, his paint job, all of that less than a week. I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause real quick. Give me a second. Woo-wee! Well, that was pretty fun.
Whoa!
Here it is right now. Looks a lot different from the video. I'm actually looking through my camera screen and actually looking at it in person. Oh, different ball game. That's dope. I can't tell how it looks in this screen, but from right now with this light shining in there, that thing is dope. So I got the main areas right away, and this area and all that, and this here right off the back, only because that's what I'm going to be taping off. The areas that I missed, that's okay. Because we're going to go on ahead and throw 2 coats on this thing, but we're going to go ahead and let this thing clear. Give me a second, everybody.
Woo! We're going to go on ahead and let that one cure for a while. Like I said, if you guys remember when I did my son's bike, when that car show, when we first took his bike to a car show, we got his whole bondo, his whole frame, the whole paint, all like 12 layers of paint, all in 1 week. And I never let it set up. You guys remember that ratchet strap I threw over his bike and it sunk in because his paint was still soft? This one I'm actually taking my time, let it cure. So I'm gonna go on ahead and let this thing cure, let this thing sit out for a while, see where it needs to be touched up, let it dry up, and I'm going ahead and get another can. So this is what I've been using on this whole bike so far. This was number 1, the primer, satin black. And right after that, I went on ahead and there was 3 coats of this on all of those over there too, and I went on ahead and cleared it all with this guy right here. So I burned this whole can. I actually got 2 of those. Actually, I laid up 1 coat of this on that, just one, just kind of give it a little to stick. And then I went on ahead with this one second, gloss black. This gloss black sticks pretty dope. And I did 3 coats of this, and I went on ahead and used the rest of this can and coated both of those there. So this guy here topped both of those cans, and that's gonna be my sealer. This will be my final. We'll get to that. So that one's gonna stay sitting. These I got from Walmart, everybody. So it's nothing crazy, nothing expensive. So that's it right now. I'm looking through my camera phone. It looks different phone. I'm actually looking in person. That looks pretty dope.
Does it look really dope?
Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna go on ahead and make stripes and a bunch of designs in this crazy mofo. So alright, everybody. Well, I'm gonna go on ahead and call this a video.
Those stickers is
I'm gonna leave this sitting outside because, well, it's windy out here and I'm away from this. Alright, everybody, give us a second. Yeah, so go on ahead and let us know what you think about these stickers right here. And I can't wait till I'm gonna upload another video Sunday because, you know what? I think this Sunday I'm gonna go on ahead and let it just ride. I'm gonna go on ahead and spray paint it again myself. Throw another coat of that glitter spray on it, so that it's got 2 solid coats on it. And I'm going ahead and let it cure the rest of the week. And then next week, when our next week's upload video, I'm gonna go on ahead and start taping that off. Or if by Tuesday or Wednesday I feel kind of like a nice and cure, I'm gonna go ahead and start taping it off and painting it. But whenever I do that, I'm gonna go on ahead and record it and show y'all how we all get down. Was that fun, my son?
Yep.
Oh, show. So let us know what you think about those. And to the homie who went on ahead and stopped us after we picked up my son from school, that's what's up, big dog. Denver Broncos, not our year, but hey, there's always next year. Friggin' Flacco. All right, everybody. Well, go on ahead and let us know in the comment section what you think about this. And anything else I do to that bike, I would definitely hit the record button and show y'all. All right, everybody. Well, until next time, I'm Kevin.
I'm Kate.
Respect and always 100. I think we outies.
Peace.
Faux show. Thank you, everybody, for the love and support of the Kevin and Kate Lowrider Addiction Show. Friday night.
Tantalizer.
So dope. Peace, everybody.